Let's start another lesson with you all. My nails are already prepped. In this video, I'll show you how to apply the F1 mold to all your nails at once to speed up your work. The first tip is to separate the molds according to each finger: thumb, index, middle, ring, and pinky. I've already filled the molds with hard gel. This way, the gel doesn't run and I can apply the molds calmly and carefully. Now, I'm just gonna fit and pre-cure one finger at a time. Once I do that, I take it to the UV lamp and let it cure for 120 seconds on the top and 60 seconds on the bottom. Now, for the most satisfying part, removing the molds. It's very simple. Just press on the tip and pull it off with a slight twist. Do the same with all of them. This is the moment when you leave your like and subscribe to the channel. Do it now so you don't forget. Thank you. Here, I've already done all the manual filing with a 180 grit file on the tips and sides. Now I'm going to start the electric filing. First, I use the curved bit at medium rotation. This way I'll accentuate the curvature of the extension to make it more elegant and resistant. I repeat the process on all fingers. Then I use a straight tungsten carbide bit to clean the cuticle area. And I use the same bit to finish the bottom. To finish the electric filing, I use a 7/118 diamond bit to do the fine finishing in the cuticle area. This bit will give the extension a more natural look, as if it were growing out of the nail directly from the matrix. At this point, I use a buffer to remove all the shine from the extension. This way, I can apply polish or top coat without the risk of peeling or lifting. The video isn't over yet, okay? But please leave a comment about what you thought of it. This is very important to me so I can improve my content every day and make it easier for you to understand. To finish, I remove any residue that may be left on the nails for the application of gel polish or top coat. And to finish, I use this reflective polish with this decoration. What do you think? If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And of course, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like these. See you next video.